Hello, this is the what is it? The SCP chart for week 6, I think. So I picked the machine with the claw arm that like picks up the piece of aluminum and puts it from one pedestal to the other. So I started. So my step 1 is when everything's in neutral except for the hand itself. So first off, you extend piston A, and that's connected to sensor A1 and A0. Piston A is connected to sensor A1 and A0. A1 means it's up, and A0 means it's down. And then for the step 2, it's B rotates 90 degrees, and then B is what turns it left and right, and B is connected to B1 and B0. If it's at B0, it's in the starting phase, and if it's B1, it's the turned phase. And then you have the piston A retracts. Then you have C opens, and C is the little claw hand that picks up the piece of aluminum, and that's connected to sensors C0 and C1. And C1 is when it's holding it, and C0 is when it's released. And then we've got C closes, so basically just opens and closes. Then the piston comes up and turns back over to the starting phase. Then piston A goes down. Then it puts down the piece of aluminum. Then it goes up. Then it goes back down and then picks up the piece of aluminum again. And then it's a loop, and it just does the same exact thing over. And then you can see here on the sides, it's the steps. So like, for example, for after step 1, it'll read A1 on the system, and on the PLC light, LDA 3 would be lit up. And then that's how it would know to move on to the next step after this step. Same with all these ones. You got like, on step 2.1, once this light is lit up on the machine and this light comes on the PLC, then the next step will initiate. And this is the step that shows that the step before it is completed. So like once step 10 is done, A1 will light up, and then the next step will be once step 10 is complete and A1 is lit up and LDA 3 on the PLC is lit up, then it goes to step 11. Kind of like that.